PinkPantheress and JT noises. We got the video for it. We got the video for it. Noises.
I guess I'll cut it room today. It's not my holiday. I stole the shirt from them, no matter what them people say. I got it from them, but I forgot today. I feel like he would care about it anyway. I'm home and I'll do just what I wanna do.
Why does this sound familiar? Does this song already come out? Hold on.
But now I'm in the mood. My parents said that they would be returning soon. I think I hear some noises from my living room.
Wait, hey.
What the fuck is that?
Oh, hold on, y'all. Hold on now. That beat.
I think I hear some noises from my living room.
What the fuck is that?
Hey.
What the fuck is that? And I step on that.
I used to step on hoes, I upgraded the stumping. I'm with my bitches shaking ass for pounds in London. Ghetto cunt, front page, they ain't see it coming. I'm in that vintage Galliano,
Hold on.
pussy stunting. I got a movie, I'ma pay that bitch just to let that hoes leave. I'm on the island high as fuck, count me coming. I'm in that vintage Galliano, pussy stunting. I got a movie, I'ma pay that bitch just to let that hoes leave. I'm on the island high as fuck, counting palm trees. The only one.
Well, turn it up, DJ.
All of them all popping tags. I'm litty as a bitch. We the powder shaking ass. I want the city in this bitch. I want the baddest shoot the bumps. Nothing equal by the trick. And I'm in my own lane. Make me step up out this bitch.
I promise you I haven't got a thing to spare. You should go after my friend as well, this isn't fair.
Wait, I like this. Actually, I love this song. Hold on.
This isn't fair. To come with everything because we like to share. Am I hearing things or is that someone there?
What the fuck is that?
Hey.
What the fuck
Like
is that?
that.
What the fuck is that?
Wait. We
My
can't.
friend as well, this isn't fair. To come with everything because we like to share. Am I hearing things or is that someone there?
What the fuck is that?
What the fuck is that? The fuck is that?
And I step on that.
This how I step on niggas.
Watch out! Someone's trying to take you. Wait, why they just whisper? You don't want to tell? Let me know? No? Alright.
1, 2.
I see.
1, 2.
Holy. Wait, noises plus JT? I'm still confused. I feel like this song sounds familiar, but like maybe is it brand new? I have no idea.